Welcome to how to install the 09507 sealing ring for Presto digital pressure canners 0214408 and 0215204. To order replacement parts, please visit gopresto.com. First, flip the cover so it is upside down. The circular metal frame in the cover is not removable, unlike previous models. Pull the sealing ring out from the cover. Wash the sealing ring in warm, soapy water. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Reattach the sealing ring by fitting it around the outer edge of the circular metal frame, which is permanently attached to the inside of the cover. Use your thumbs and index fingers to push the sealing ring down against the cover and around the metal frame. The sealing ring is properly positioned when the metal frame is seated in the ring's inner groove. The canner cover will not close if the sealing ring is installed incorrectly on the metal frame. For more information, please visit gopresto.com.